Namaste. Welcome to another episode of Wholesome Living Through Food, a beautiful collaboration between Yoga You and HomeCooking. Today I'm going to share a simple yet wholesome recipe. This is green gram curry. Green gram, also known as Moong Dal, is light on the stomach, rich in plant protein, and it's also easy to digest. So let's get started and check out how to make this simple yet delicious green gram curry. For the curry, I've soaked about half cup of dried green gram. So you can see these have been soaking overnight. It's plumped up beautifully. So first I'm going to pressure cook this. Transfer the soaked green gram to a pressure cooker. Pour enough water so it's completely immersed. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon salt. Cook the green gram for about 1 to 2 whistles on medium flame. Take a nice white kadai or a pan and add about 1 tablespoon of ghee and add 2 teaspoons of oil. To the pan, add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Next, add quarter teaspoon of hing or asafoetida powder. Next, add 2 medium-sized onions finely chopped, 3 green chilies chopped, next add a few curry leaves. So we're not going to brown the onions, just saute them till they're a nice golden color. The curry leaves are optional, so if you don't have them, don't worry about it. You can also do it without the curry leaves. So now that the onions have turned to a nice golden color, I'm just going to add 1 heaped teaspoon of pound ginger and garlic. The freshly pounded ginger and garlic will give an excellent flavor. So I've added about 3 medium-sized tomatoes finely chopped. So once the tomatoes have become nice and mushy, I'm going to add all the spice powder, starting with quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons red chili powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 1 teaspoon salt. Just mix everything together. Now you can adjust the spice according to your taste. If you like it a little spicy, you can add a little extra chili powder. Otherwise, this will be sufficient because we've also added the green chilies to give it a bit of a heat. Just cook this for about 2 to 3 minutes. Transfer the cooked green gram. So you can see it's cooked beautifully. It's very soft. Literally, I think it's going to literally melt in your mouth. So just going to add half cup of water. So add about half teaspoon of garam masala powder. So let it simmer for about 5 minutes till everything comes together. This is a very easy recipe, and this green gram is full of protein. So finally, add some chopped coriander leaves, turn off the stove and serve this delicious green gram curry with some nice chapati, roti or even rice. So there you go, here is a simple and wholesome green gram curry. This is light, comforting and rich at the same time. If you are looking for everyday foods that support a healthy and balanced lifestyle, this recipe is a wonderful addition to your kitchen. If you enjoyed this recipe, subscribe to our channel Yoga You and also share it with your family, friends and your yoga community. Until next time, stay healthy, stay nourished and stay happy.